Let's review the life cycle of a mushroom. If you remember from our previous discussion, the very top of the mushroom is called the cap. Underneath the cap, there are gills. Now the gills are important because inside of the gills, something called spores form. The spores are what contain the genetic material from the mushroom. These spores will fall to the ground whenever there's a wind or something rushes by and moves the mushroom. At this point, the wind blows, and usually these spores are taken to another area, and then they will fall to the ground. When they fall to the ground, if the conditions are right, this is a perfect time for a new mushroom to develop and grow. I hope you remember what the conditions need to be. They need to land in a warm, moist place. If they do that, these little spores will begin to germinate. Little thread-like strands will start to grow from these spores. And whenever this happens, and the thread-like strands meet up with one another, something called a mat is formed. When a mat is formed, a new mushroom will start to develop and will eventually pop up from the ground, and then you'll have a new mushroom. And guess what? The cycle starts all over again. And that is the life cycle of a mushroom.